Hello children, welcome to another Phonics. Are you all ready to start? Then let's begin. I thought today we would start with another listening exercise, but this time you need to be standing up. So stand up. I am going to give you a set of instructions. I'm going to say the instructions twice. Once I've said them, I'd like you to follow those instructions in the same order as I said them. Okay? So you need to listen really carefully. Here we go. First, rub your tummy, then tap your knees. First, rub your tummy, then tap your knees. Can you do it? Have you done it? Should we do it together? What did I say? First, rub your tummy, then tap your knees. Brilliant. Okay, are you ready? First, rub your tummy, then tap your knees. After that, wave your hand. First, rub your tummy, then tap your knees. After that, wave your hand. Can you do it? Okay, should we do it together? What did I say? First, rub your tummy, then tap your knees. After that, wave your hand. Okay, are you ready? I'm going to give you some more instructions in a different order, so you need to listen carefully. First, clap twice, then wave your hand. After that, tap your knees and finally fold your arms. I'll say it again. First, clap twice, then wave your hand. After that, tap your knees and finally fold your arms. Off you go. Have you done it? Shall we do it together? Here we go. First, clap twice, then wave your hand. After that, tap your knees and finally fold your arms. Did you get all 4 instructions? Did you manage to do them in the same order? Great, have a seat. Okay, there are some pictures up here and I am going to ask you to write the words for those pictures. So the first picture here, we don't have one boy, we have 5 boys. Boys. So can you write me the word boys? Remember, we've been talking about plurals and what we need to add at the end. So sound talk boy and then add your plural for boys. Have you done it? Maybe sound button it to check. Shall we get going and let's have a look? Okay, sound talk it with me. B-oy, boys, boys. Did you just add the S to boy? Well done. Okay, here I don't have one lunch. I have 4 lunches. 4 lunches. So I'd like you to write me the word lunches. Now remember, think of that root word, break it down into syllables if you want to. Remember, clap, sound talk the first syllable and write it down, and then write the other syllables. Okay? Lunches. Think of that root word. What do we need to add to the end to make it a plural? Lunches. Have you written it? Shall we check it? Here we go. Sound talk it with me. Lunch. Lunch. That's our root word, isn't it? Lunch es. Lunch es. Lunches. Lunches. Did you get that? Did you add the es to the end of lunch to make it a plural? Great. Okay, let's have a look. This bear doesn't have one claw. He has got lots of claws. So I'd like you to write me the word claws. So think of your root word. What's the singular word you're looking for? It's claw, isn't it? So then you need to make it into a plural. So if you write your root word first and then make it into the plural. Claws. Thinking about which or you need to use for claw. Which one looks right? Remember, we've got 3 to try. Claws. Do you think you've written it? Shall we have a look? Sound talk it with me. Let's look at our root word first. Or. Claws. Claws. Did you get it? Did you use the correct grapheme for the or sound? Don't worry if not. Write it down now and copy it. Okay, claws. Okay, let's have a look at this one. Now we were also looking at adding the suffix for weren't we? So here, we're looking at this man here, and he is stronger. Stronger than the others. Stronger. So think of your root word. What's your root word? Strong. That's right. And we are writing stronger. So sound talk strong to your paper and then add your suffix to make it into stronger. Remember, pop those sound buttons underneath to check it. Stronger. Do you think you've done it? Shall we have a look? So let's look at our root word first of all. Sound talk it with me. Strong. Stronger. Stronger. Did you get it? Well done. So you see, sometimes when you're writing, it's easier to think of your root word or to break it into syllables. Stronger. Okay, well done. Let's move on. Pop your pencils down. You are going to say the sounds that you see. Are you ready? Here goes. You, or it can be oo. Ow. Z. Ch. I. X. E. J. Or it can be v. You, or it can be oo. I. E. V. A. E. Qu. O. W. U, or it can be oo. A. Z. Ow. A. E. Air. O. Y, or it can be E at the end of the word for sunny. Sh. R. I. Oo, or it can be O. W. O. Oi. Or. Yo. Ear. Oi. Or. Well done. Did you manage to say them before I did? Brilliant. Okay. I have some words here that you are going to sound and blend for me. And remember, they are going to be a mixture of all the graphemes that you know, okay? So remember, look carefully before you start sounding it. Are you ready? Here goes. Have a look and sound talk it to me. I'll join in. Sport. Sport. Did you get it? Let's try this one. Have a look. Let's sound talk. I'll join in. Smart. Smart. Well done. You are very smart. Okay, let's try this one. Have you had a look? I'll join in. Steep. Steep. The mountain was very steep. Okay, have a look. Okay, sound talk it. I'll join in. Grown. Grown. Well done. Okay, try this one. Have a look first and then sound talk it. I'll join in. think. Now remember, if you think this is a sound talk it like it, think, doesn't make sense, try the alternative sound, okay? Let's have a look at this one. Ready? Did you get it? Let's try it together. Oyster. Remember, you can always break it up. Oyster. Whichever works for you, okay? Oh, we had this word earlier, didn't we? Let's sound talk it. I'll join in. Claw. Well done. Here's another one. So let's break it up. Do you think you've got it? Let's do it together. Fin. Dolphin. Dolphin. I really like dolphins. Do you? Oh, have a look. Ready to sound talk? I'll join in. Snake. Did you remember the split vowel digraph there? Well done. Okay, let's have a look at this one. We'll break it up. Do you think you know what it says? Let's do it together. Key. Donkey. Donkey. Well done. Okay, we are back to the beginning. Fantastic. Let's move on. So, yesterday we were looking at adding a suffix to our words. Do you remember when we were comparing something? I am shorter than Mr. Goodwin. So you're comparing something and you add the ER on the end of your adjective to tell us that. Now, so a suffix is a group of letters that you add to the end of your word. And today we are looking at a different suffix. We are looking at est, E-S-T, okay? Let's have a look. So again, we use this when we are comparing something. So we're using it we add it to our adjective and we're using it to compare. Let's have a look. So here again is my tree, my tall tree, isn't it? And let's read the sentence. This is the tallest tree. This is the tallest tree. Now you see I've added the EST at the end of my adjective, but it sounds like an ist, doesn't it? If I'd sound talk that word, tallest, we don't actually say tallest, we say tallest, but it's actually an EST that we are adding at the end. So something to remember there, okay? So this is the tallest tree. Okay, let's have a look at another example. And here we've got a group of children and the arrow is pointing to a girl and she is the, what do you think she is? Let's read the sentence and find out. This girl is the shortest. So this girl is the shortest. And again, can you hear when we say it? We say ist, shortest. But it's actually, we are adding est suffix to the end of the word. Okay, let's have a look. Here I have another example. My man here is, what is he? He's tall. So this man is, what is he? If we use our root word of tall, this man is taller, isn't he? He's taller. Brilliant. So this man is the tallest. Yes, So we've got tall, taller, tallest. Do you see how we're using them to compare? So he is the tallest. Let's have a look at another one. Here I've got some objects. My football is light, okay? My tennis ball is light. Oh, that's right. My tennis ball is lighter. But the balloon is the, what is it? Lightest. It is, it's the lightest. Okay, let's have a look at one more. Here I've got some children flying kites. And this kite is high in the sky, isn't it? Okay. What about this kite? This kite is, what is it? This one is high and this one is higher, isn't it? It's higher. And you see we're just adding the ER to our root word of high. So if this kite is high, this kite is higher, what about this kite? It is the highest, isn't it? The highest. Well done. So remember, we're using that root word and adding the suffix at the end. Okay? We've kept high all the way through our root word and we've been changing the ending. Okay, now it's your turn. Right, I am going to have a root word appear. Let's have a look at it. What does that word say? Can you tell me? Small, isn't it? Small. Okay, if I add a suffix ER to it, well, can you write it down for me? We've got small would become, what would it become if we added ER? Write it down for me. It would be small, wouldn't it? Smaller. Brilliant. So we've got small, smaller, and what would this one become? Can you write me down the word? What would it be? So we've got small, smaller, and smallest. Smallest. Well done. Okay. What does this word say? Dark. Well done. Dark. So, we've got dark. If we add ER, can you write it down for me? What would this word become? Dark. And then we would have you written it down? What would it be? Darker. Brilliant. Okay, then using our root word of dark, we've got dark, darker, and then I want you to write, what would it be? Darkest. Can you write darkest? Have you written it? So you use your root word and add the EST at the end. Did you get it? Well done. Okay. What does this word say? Smooth. Smooth. Well done. Okay, so smooth, what would it become if we add our ER suffix? Can you write it down for me? What would it be? Tell me, what does it say? Smoother, isn't it? Smoother. Well done. Can you write it again, adding the EST? What would it become then? Write it down. What would it become? Smoothest, wouldn't it? Smoothest. So we've got smooth, smoother, smoothest. Okay, let's look at the next one. Sound to the word? Soft. Well done. Okay, so write it down for me and add the ER suffix. What word would you have then? We would have soft, wouldn't we? Softer. Did you get that one? So we've got soft, softer. Could you write me the word softest? Softest. So think about our root word and what you need to add. Can you write me the word softest? I am wearing the softest jumper today. Softest. Have you written it? Okay, let's check it. Have you written soft, our root word, and added est at the end? Did you get it? Great. Okay. What word do we have here? Sound talk it for me. Light. Light. So could you write me the word lighter? Lighter. So think of the root word and the suffix we need to add at the end. Lighter. Have you written it? Let's check it. So you need to write the root word first, light, and add at the end, lighter. Brilliant. Now could you write me the word lightest? Lightest. The balloon was the lightest of all the objects. Lightest. So remember, write that root word first, sound talk it out first, and then write your suffix at the end. Lightest. Think you've done it? Shall we check it? So if you've written light, our root word, light, light, est, lightest. Well done. Have a look at this one then. Sound talk this to me. Let's do it together. Strong. Brilliant. Could you write me the word stronger? Stronger. So remember, think of your root word first, strong, and I want you to make it into stronger. Mr. Goodwin is stronger than Mrs. Goodwin. Stronger. Have you written it down? Shall we check it? So did you write your root word, strong, and add the ER at the end to give us stronger? Great. Now I'd like you to write strongest. Strongest. Harry is the strongest boy in his class. Strongest. So write your root word first of all. What's our root word? Strong. And then add your suffix at the end. And the suffix we're adding today is est. Strongest. Have you written it? Shall we check it? There's our root word, strong, est. Strongest. Did you manage it? Well done. Okay, so hopefully that will help you if you think about your root word first of all and then add the suffix at the end. Okay, let's carry on. I have a different game for us to play here today. Okay, we are matching pairs. I hope you like it. So I have 8 squares. They have all got numbers on them. I have 8 cards. Okay, let's have a look at them. What does this word say? Can you sound talk it? What does it say? Let's do it together. Queen. Queen. Well done. That doesn't look like a picture of a queen, does it? Looks like a farmer. Okay, that's not a match. Let's look at our next one. What's that? Or who's that, should I say? It's the queen, isn't it? Where did we see the queen? Where did we see the word for queen? Which box was it? Yes, box number 1. Brilliant, we've made a pair. Queen. Okay, let's turn over number 4. What does this say? Air. Hair. Well done. Oh, that looks like a bit like fear, really, doesn't it? She's a bit scared of the spider. I don't think that's a match. Okay, let's look at box number 6. Read what it says. What does it say? Sound talking with me. Farmer. Farmer. Did we see a farmer? What box number was it we saw the farmer? Okay, let's check. It's a match, I think. Yes, it is. Oh, what have we got here? Hair. Where did we see the word hair? What box number was it? Let's check. It's a match. Well done. Let's have a look at this one. Sound talk it for me. What does it say? Ear. Fear. And which box does it belong with? Yes, I think she's frightened. Fear. Well done. Did you like that game? Maybe I'll have to put a few more boxes in next time. Okay, let's look at our high frequency and our tricky words. Here they come. You should be good at reading them by now. Here we go. 1. When. Can you write me the word when? I'm going to hide it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. When. Did you get it? Brilliant. She. There. Can you write me the word there? There. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you get it? Great. He. Little. It's. Was. Went. From. Children. Help. Just. What. Can you write me the word what? Are you ready? What? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What? Did you get it? Brilliant. Out. And we are back to the beginning. Great job, children. Fantastic. Enjoy the rest of your day. You've worked really hard. Be the best that you can be, and I will see you again for some more phonics very soon. Bye-bye.